Okay, let's see if this puppy's gonna do what it's supposed to do. Plug the battery in. Goddamn battery plug. Okay. Yep, still recording. Alright. See if we can keep from having a wreck. Nope. Grass in the way. Let's see. Well, let's take off fast. Well, one, the wind is just incredible. Two, the gnats are eating me alive. I don't know where they're coming from. I gotta keep swatting every 2 seconds. Let's pop this bar back on. Let's see. You know, backwards probably. Yep. God dang, man, the gnats are just terrible. Now while I'm not flying, they're not bothering me. Okay, looks like everything's good. Still recording, I think. Oh. Wow, yeah, the wind's kicking up real bad. Maybe I'll just try and see if I can keep it down real low, but the wind's really kicking up. Just all of a sudden. Balance. I can't tell what it would be. Try it again. Too crazy.